Do you want to learn some essential Spanish words? Today we focus on 10 Spanish words that you might find handy in a conversation. Let's dive right in. Our first word is parecer. This verb translates to seem or appear. It's used when we want to express an opinion or perception about someone or something. Then we have nuestro. It means our, and it's a possessive adjective that indicates ownership or relation. Next up is tan, which translates to so. This word is often used for emphasis. We also have donde, a question word meaning where. Then there's ahora, which means now, and parte, translating to part. Moving on, we have después, meaning after, vida, which stands for life, and queda, a verb that means to stay or remain. Lastly, we have siempre, meaning always. Are you ready to practice these words? Keep in mind, practice makes perfect. Now it's time to practice these words. Listen carefully and repeat after me. First up is parecer, which means to seem or appear. Let's say it together. Parecer. Good. One more time. Parecer. Next we have nuestro. This word translates to our. Let's pronounce it together. Nuestro. Excellent. Let's do it once more. Nuestro. Moving on, we have the word tan. It means so in English. Let's say it together. Tan. Great. Let's repeat it. Tan. Now let's tackle donde, which means where. Try to pronounce it with me. Donde. Fantastic. One more time. Donde. The next word is ahora, which means now. Join me in saying ahora. Good job. Let's do it again. Ahora. Now let's practice parte. This word translates to part. Let's say it together. Party. Excellent. Let's do it once more. Parte. Next up is después, which means after. Let's pronounce it together. Después. Great. Let's repeat it. Después. The next word is vida, which translates to life. Join me in saying vida. Fantastic. One more time. Vida. Now we'll practice queda. This word means to stay or remain. Let's say it together. Queda. Good job. Let's do it again. Queda. Finally, we have siempre, which means always. Try to pronounce it with me. Siempre. Fantastic. One more time. Siempre. Well done. Remember, repetition is the key to learning a new language. So, how did you do? It's time for a quick review. Let's go over the words we learned today one more time. Remember, repetition is key in language learning, so don't hesitate to say them out loud with me again. First, we have parecer, which means to seem or appear. Next is nuestro, translating to our. Then we have tan, which means so. Donde is up next, meaning where. Then we have ahora, translating to now. Following that, we have parte, which means part. Después is next, and it translates to after. The word vida means life. Quedar translates to stay or remain. And finally, siempre means always. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these words, the more natural they will feel in conversation. Keep repeating them until they roll off your tongue effortlessly. Congratulations on adding 10 new words to your Spanish vocabulary today. Keep practicing and soon you'll be able to use these words confidently in a conversation. Until next time, adios and keep learning.